So the Visa Waiver program is basically a program for British citizens, similar to the ESTA or the ESTA in the US, where you just put your details and you don't really need a visa to enter the country. It's basically a pre-approval process of you getting into the country, basically. This is actually very beneficial for several reasons. One of them is that it is a lot easier and a lot cheaper to do the whole process. There is a specific website on the Foreign Ministry of Affairs of Saudi Arabia where you go and you apply for your Visa Waiver program application. You have to do an application for every single person of the family you're going with, so even children. It doesn't matter how old they are, even if they're a few months old or a few weeks old, they still need to apply for this Visa Waiver program. This is available for people who are going for tourism, for business, and for studying, things like that. It is only a one entry option available. So unlike the ESTA, which is valid for 2 years, this is only valid one time. You can do Umrah on this visa and it costs only $40 approximately per person per application. You have only one time to enter and you can stay up to 6 months, which is a very long time. And I doubt many people are going to actually stay this long. If you're going for Umrah, the Visa Waiver or the tourist visa, and here is the catch with them. One allows you multiple entries several times per year. So if you wanted to go for Umrah 4 or 5 times this year with low budget airlines like Wizz Air, the Saudi tourist visa is a better option for you. If you're going once per year, you're not going to go within that specific time and you're only going to enter once, then the Visa Waiver is no-brainer. It's much cheaper and much easier to get. Here is the thing that you have to remember. The Visa Waiver does not include insurance. And this has been asked so many times. It doesn't include insurance. That means that you do have to get your own health and travel insurance. And I please beg you, get your own health and travel insurance. It is super, super important when you're visiting any country, but especially Saudi Arabia. As an expat, you really don't want to go into a public hospital. You are much better into the private hospital, which are amazing and of great quality. Over-prepared than under-prepared, so I would highly recommend get yourself a travel insurance from a separate provider that you can use when you're traveling, even for Umrah, on the Visa Waiver program. It is £10-20 and it is definitely worth it, even if you just use it this one time. You never know what might happen. I feel that this is an example of a great opportunity for people to visit for much less. It makes it much more affordable, and something similar to ESTA times. Unfortunately, that is not the case. It is $40 one time, but it's still much cheaper and much more affordable than the tourist visa, which has different rules. This at the moment is only available for students. It is not available for anyone else, although I did find an article. It is on my website that states that it's available to other countries like the US and EU. I didn't find any information on that on their website while I went through the application process. So if you are from the US and you have applied and you have gone through, please do let me know. If there is an update, I will make sure that I leave every single opportunity in the description below of an update, because I know these videos get watched a lot over the time. So check the description, inshallah, before you start messaging and things like that, just for your own ease. Want to find any more information on DIY Umrahs, check muslimtravelgo.com. I do have also a free guide for the best time to do Umrah and how to save money on Umrah. If you want to get your hands on this, just click on the description below and you will find the guide there as well. So until next time, Assalamu alaikum. Like this video, like and subscribe.